welcome to Soulful Cooking. This is your host and chef Kranti Talwar. In today's episode, I'm going to cook one of my most favorite accompaniments, which are pickles. Now, when you go to an Indian restaurant, we are usually welcomed by a pre-appetizer served as papadums with some chutneys. But if you go to a Chinese restaurant, the most welcoming thing there is the vegetable pickles that they offer, which has been my favorite since my childhood. And I always dreamt to make this, and ever since I've known the recipe, I've always been making this every year during winter season when fresh veggies are available here in Mumbai, India, or actually most part of the India. So I'm sure you're going to love this recipe. Please make this because they come with multiple health benefits apart from the tantalizing effect they give to your tongue. I'm sure you'll love this. Do not forget to post your comments on my YouTube comment section. Please like, share this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Thank you so much for watching.
For this recipe, we'll need the following vegetables cut into either baton size or roundels. They include beetroots, white radish, red radish, carrots, cucumbers and jalapenos. Although it's not in the picture, but you'll also need 600 ml each of white vinegar and filtered water. For the aromatics and pickling preserves, we'll need 250 grams of sugar, 1 inch of fresh turmeric cut into slices or roundels. You may also use 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder if you want. 1 tablespoon each of yellow mustard and black peppercorns, 1.5 tablespoon of fresh garlic, 2.5 tablespoons of salt or to taste. Let's begin by making a brine solution, for which I am adding 600 milliliters of white vinegar. You may also use white wine vinegar, apple cider vinegar. I've just used a regular white vinegar here. To this, with the same bottle, I am measuring equal amounts of water. Now add in your aromatics and your pickling preserves, which will include fresh turmeric slices, some yellow mustard seeds, black peppercorns, garlic, sugar and salt. You may also use a tablespoon of toasted coriander seeds if you prefer. Stir this mixture and now bring it to a boil by heating it on a medium flame. Now add this hot brine solution into your veggies, which have been jarred individually. I've thrown in a few pieces of jalapenos in each of my veggies to add on a spicy flavor. Adding hot brine solution partially cooks the veggies and keeps it ready for the further preservation. Always store your pickles in airtight containers, and once they cool down, refrigerate them and you can use them for the next 6 months. These are loaded with multivitamins. They are great for your skin, they are great for your gut system because of the presence of loads of probiotics in them. They help in your digestion process due to the presence of probiotics. They are rich in antioxidants and thereby prevent cancer, but kindly eat them in moderation due to the high salt content.
Let's do a taste test. Now I am tasting this right on the second day of pickling them. I'm sure the taste gets better as the days proceed. This is cucumber. So refreshing. This is almost like the one they serve in mainland China. I'm sure you'll believe me once you try this by yourself. Jalapenos. Jalapenos are my all-time favorite. Add this to anything. These pickles are so versatile. Even the garlic in this is so scrumptious. And the crunchiness is maintained, which is even more important. You know what? You don't even need to preserve this in the refrigerator for another 3 months. I'm sure they'll be gone within a month or so. Best part is that these are so versatile. Add it to your salads, to your sandwiches, to your wraps, to burgers, to pizzas, to pastas, and use it as a daily accompaniment with your meal. And it has multiple benefits, right from your skin to your gut to your immunity and so many things which I've already mentioned in the video. Please try this and do not forget to leave your comments on my YouTube comment section. And thank you so much for watching. Happy pickling to you.